Again, y'all, I'm thinking about our Easter meal. In the last video, I shared with you a recipe for incredible uh, but banana pudding casserole with a wonderful custard. It's great for breakfast. And so now I'm thinking those of y'all that want to do lamb or pork or whatever you do, this is a great side dish, and it's broccolini with a creamy garlic sauce. Now I'm just going to steam this broccolini. I've got a little tray down there that's keeping this above the water because I just want to steam it until it's somewhat tender. So I've got my little steaming rack down there, and you don't want to bring the water up so that it touches your broccolini. You want it just below your steamer rack that you've got in there. So we're going to steam this for about 6 to 7 minutes. All right, so we're going to need about 1/3 of a cup of onion. You know, this is not going to make a tremendous amount of sauce, but we're just going to pour it on top of our broccolini. You don't want to drown the broccolini. All right, so I'm going to drop that in our skillet. Listen to the pitter-patter of Lulu's little feet. She is so desperate for another treat. She wants to eat treats all day long. All right, so I've got about 1/3 of a stick of butter, maybe a half. So let's see, I think I'll go to this eye. It's a little bit bigger. Come on, fire. It'll always fire when I'm just about ready to cut it off and give up trying. Broccolini's just a steaming back there. All right. There's a little onion peel I got in there. I'm going to get that out. Just a little piece of onion skin. Okay, so I'm going to saute these until they're nice and tender. Y'all, I've been telling y'all to watch the chicken and dumpling cook-off between me and Michael. I think he was such a sport. So last night I got a package from my friend Greg Cantor and his partner Michael. Look what they sent us. This was so funny to me. It says Winner Chicken Dinner Award. And it said Best Chicken and Dumplings. And it announces the winner, but I'm not going to let y'all see what that says in case you haven't seen it, because it was a very big surprise ending. So Greg, you are so dadgum cute, and you just come up with some of the neatest things. I love you, Greg Cantor, and he was a good friend of my Aunt Trina's. And Michael, I hope you're doing well, dear, and love you too. Thank you, guys. This will sit proudly in our kitchen. On whose end of the kitchen, I don't know yet. I know, but I can't tell you. Now my onions are soft, or getting soft, so I'm going to go ahead and add our garlic. And ooh, that is so fragrant. I'm going to sprinkle my 2 teaspoons of flour over that. I'm just going to stir that up. That little bit of flour is going to, you know, give us a nice, thick, creamy sauce. All right. And now I'm going to add our chicken stock, and that's a 1/2 cup. All right, I'm going to turn this back up now, I think. See, it's getting just a little, starting to get a little thick. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of a grainy Dijon mustard. And this is going to, Teresa had that measured out exactly, I think, for 2 tablespoons. Okay. So I'm going to let this thicken and reduce for a couple of minutes. Just a few minutes. And then lastly, we will add our cream and let it cook for a few more minutes. All right, Eddie just reminded me that broccoli has been steaming, that broccolini has been steaming for about 6 or 7 minutes. So I just go ahead and cut that off. And I'm going to give this a chance to reduce a little bit. And then we're going to add our cream. I think it's safe to add our cream now. And this is 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. Look at that. And we're going to let this cook for about 5 or 6 more minutes. Give it a chance to keep getting thicker and reduce a little bit more. I didn't add any pepper to this, did I? Nor salt. So just a little pepper. And just a little kosher salt. Not much. About that much. Oh yeah. This is tightened up some. And you can actually let this get even tighter. But yeah, I should have let it get a little bit tighter. That's all right. Now you can serve this and let everybody, I'm going to put a little bit more sauce over here, and let everybody get the amount of sauce they want to go along with their broccolinis. It's beautiful. Broccolini with a garlic, mustard, onion sauce. Steamed perfectly, Eddie. Yum. Your Easter table, or on a Friday night when you have your friends over and cook a steak or barbecue chicken, this would be a wonderful side, y'all. So love and best dishes. Smells so good. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.